Thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky hose bib. See how I have water coming out around the stem of the valve? That's not the washer inside that shuts it off. First thing I need to do is go inside and shut the water off. So when the handle's in line with the pipe, that means the water's on. Put it sideways, that means the water's off. Now that the water's off, we can start taking this apart. Open the valve, make sure you let the pressure off, and you need to take the handle off. Hopefully you'll get lucky and that screw will come right off. If you do have trouble with the screw on your handle, sometimes if you put your screwdriver into the screw and tap on your screwdriver with a hammer, that'll knock the screw loose and you'll be able to unscrew it. Now we need to take this off. And it's always good to hold your hose bib steady while you're unscrewing this part. Sometimes this will look like a cap, but whatever it is, there's going to be some kind of nut around the shaft that you need to get loose. And then once you have this off, you should be able to get the shaft out. You may need to use your handle to unscrew it a little bit further. So this is so long because this type of valve, you don't need to shut off the water in the wintertime because it shuts off the flow to outside from inside the house. And this right here on the end of the shaft is what's causing the leak. You can see how loose that washer is. See if I have a replacement. Instead of running to the hardware store and getting a replacement washer, which I may or may not be able to find, I'm going to use this right here. It's called packing string. Just wrap it around the shaft and tighten the nut up against it. Should take care of the leak. Sometimes this is white and it's Teflon based, and this is black. I don't know, maybe it's rubber based, but this is just what this is for. I'm sure it's going to be hard for you to see, but I'm just going to take this string, wrap it around the shaft, and cover the face of the washer. And when I tighten the nut back up, it should squeeze this down and stop the leak. And what should happen is when I tighten the nut up, it's going to smush this stuff down and it'll make a new washer. Let's see if it works. And that's kind of what you're looking for. Tough to get it in there. If I can get it to catch. All right, I got that started. Put your nut on. Put your screw back in. Now let's turn it back on and check for leaks. Let's see if it fixed the leak. Nice. A little bit of packing string. Should always have some of this in your plumbing kit. Save you a trip to the hardware store or give you a quick fix in an emergency. Thanks for watching.